previous video we see the apple tree on the earth. Uh, the force on an apple on the tree is toward the center of the earth, that is along the perpendicular from the position of an apple to the surface of the earth. Show the figure in textbook. The figure also shows that the gravitational force between the earth and moon, the distance in the figure are not according to the scale. Then Newton thought that if the force of the gravitational acts on apples on the tree at different heights from the surface of the earth, can it also acts on an object at even greater heights, just like earth, like for example the moon. Can it acts on even further object like the other planets and the sun? Then show the such images like a solar planet, solar system, the sun, earth and moon. After this point we see next point is the force and motion. In previous standard, ninth standard, we learned the Newton's law of the motion. Then in 10th standard we learn what is mean by force. Force means show the images of the force. What is mean by force? The force is necessary to change the speed as well as the direction of an object. Force definition is the force is necessary to the change the speed as well as the direction of an object. Write this definition on your notebook. Then Sir Isaac Newton discovered the gravitational force. Then let us see the introduction of the scientist Newton, Sir Isaac Newton. Let us see the image of the Sir Isaac Newton in your video. Sir Isaac Newton was one of the greatest scientists of the recent times. He was born in England. He gave his law of motion and theory of gravity. In addition to this, Newton did groundbreaking work in the similar areas, including the light, heat, sound and mathematics. He invented a new branch of mathematics. This is called as the calculus and has wide-ranging application in physics and mathematics. He was the first scientist to construct the reflecting telescope.